Do I look Somali?
A little bit.
You Somali. You are the one who looks more Somali, but not me.
I'm Somali actually.
You.
Yeah,
That's nice. Where you from?
I'm from Somaliland.
What?
Somaliland. Somaliland. Not Somalia.
What is that?
You can Google it.
Google.
Yeah.
I got no time to Google anything right now, but you're going to explain me about wait. The Google says Somaliland is a state in Somalia. Is that right?
You lying.
I'm not lying. That Google's what say, and he say they like to call themselves a country, but they are not a country. They are only 400 people, and 400 people cannot.
We are not trying.
That's what Google says. I'm not.
Oh,
You say Google, I Googled. And you know what is the funny? You from here, your location is Somali flag. Why isn't not Somaliland? I see only.
okay, I can tell you, my country isn't recognized yet. Okay,
What?
it is not recognized.
Okay.
So, so a little countries recognize us. Okay, like United Kingdom. Uh,
Okay. Keep going.
maybe Ethiopia. Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is not the big deal country. Don't